Hey everybody, it's Sean here bringing you another how-to video. Today we're going to be installing the MX5things third brake light flasher harness on a 2020 Mazda MX-5 Miata. This is the RF variant or retractable fastback variant. The ST or soft top is a little bit different, so make sure you purchase the correct harness from MX5things. Also, this comes in two options. One is an accelerometer option that at 0.6G or harder braking, it will flash the third brake light. I ended up going with the other variant, which is it flashes 4 times and it has a timer so that it won't continue flashing in stop and go traffic. So there's a 10-second delay. So I ended up going that option. I don't expect to be braking super hard with the accelerometer option, but I do think just giving a little extra awareness on such a low and small vehicle never hurts, right? So anyway, I'll show you what we need. By the way, this video should apply for any 2016 through 2023 MX-5s, especially the RF version as we have here. And I do believe this works for the power hardtops as well. This is the same flasher for the NC Miata for years previous. But anyway, let's take a look at what's included. We've got the MX5things harness there. It does come with some adhesive, a Velcro adhesive. Again, this is completely reversible if you ever decide to sell your vehicle or maybe you don't like it. It also comes with 2 zip ties. I've got a little wire clip here so we can clean up those zip ties. I'm pretty uptight about keeping everything nice and tidy. And then I've got some alcohol here just for the adhesive prep. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna hop in the driver's seat there and I'm going to get the retractable fastback top about halfway through its operation, where this rear kind of deck lid, I'm going to call it, will be suspended in the air, which will then show us, and we can follow that third brake light wiring. You can see where the third brake light is mounted right there on that retractable fastback rear deck lid. Okay, so I have the retractable fastback halfway through its cycle, and I'm going to show you right where we're at. So there's the third brake light. We're going to follow that cable or that harness all the way over here to that corner. That's our plug right in the center of the camera here. That's where we're going to be working. So I'm going to unplug that and I'm going to then install the MX5things third brake light flasher harness right there. And I'll give you a little better look once I get that mounted. Again, I'm going to clean the surface with the alcohol just for that adhesive prep, and then we'll get that harness plugged in and I'll show you exactly where I put it and how I tidied things up with the included zip ties. Alrighty, I was able to get the harness installed. That clip is a little tricky, not too bad, but just take your time with it to get that unplugged, that connector. But then after that, I wanted to give you an idea. So here I am by the gas cap to give you a context of what angle I'm looking at it in. So I mounted the adhesive right next to the factory bracket for that connector, and then I simply plug both ends in. It's male female, so you can't get it wrong, which is super nice. And then I did use one of the little zip ties right there. I used the other on the back side, and then I actually put one larger zip tie of my own around the whole thing, and this thing isn't going anywhere. So the only thing that we need to do now is just to slowly watch the operation as we put the retractable fastback both into the, basically watch the entire operation. Just make sure that it doesn't get caught in this mechanism. Again, you go on this side of it and it should be just fine, but we want to just keep an eye on it for the first time. And after I get this thing put back down, I'll give you an example of how it looks. Alrighty, we've got her installed. Everything was clear. Let's give it a try here. You can see the timer. It only operated that first time. It's got that 10-second delay. There it goes the next time. Works again. And that's how you install the MX5things third brake light flasher. Again, this is the 10-second timer delay. And I hope this video was able to help somebody out install theirs. Please like and subscribe for future ND Miata videos. Thanks everybody. Have a great day.